be a boring video for y'all. But put everything back in my bag, because if you didn't see my other video, I showed what was in my bag. That's basically it, but also put it back in my bag. If you already watched the first one, don't watch this. And if you watched this, don't watch the other one. But let's get started. I'm already holding it, but my wallet is not in it. My black AirPod case, so we're in them right now. So, yeah. Now, the birthday cake, Summer Fridays. So, yes. This is my favorite one. I have mint, the brown sugar, vanilla, and then this one. This one is so good. I'm wearing it right now. But the Kylie Jenner lip popper. Plus two. So, yeah. Last thing is, just in case I get hungry or like I want something, I bought a candy cane. So, do this with that. Peace out, Shaka.